What is up, YouTube? Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2026. I'm going to be going over today's price action and the one trade I ended up taking today, losing roughly $375. So, to start, going into the morning, I kind of had a mixed bias. Kind of figured we could go either way. Didn't, necessarily think we would just keep pumping. The market has just been on a bull run since creating this new week opening gap on Monday. So really all week we have just been skyrocketing in price. So I guess I didn't really think we would continue that. And I kind of just disregarded all my trading knowledge this morning. Kind of traded like a bot. Not my proudest day, but we were due for a loss. We've been killing it this month, so yeah, it is what it is. Take it to the chin, move on. But to get into the trade that I did end up taking, let's go in replay mode here. All right, so in this trade, we had a 15-minute, as you can see. Zoom in a little bit. Small, or is it? Yeah. Small 15-minute gap that we have right here that we ended up tapping into and rejecting out of. So after seeing that, I also believe we had an hourly, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, an hourly up here that we tap into and reject out of nicely, which obviously is a good, confluence if you want to go lower. But I failed to include and realize that we had stacked 4-hour unfilled gaps to the downside that if it's just not a recipe for success if you want price to go any lower. I mean, we have 1, 2, 3. I mean, I could count for fucking days how many stacked 4-hour gaps that we have, but the main ones that we'd look at are these two right here. And that's just not a recipe for success when it comes to taking a short, and I just disregarded that. And yeah, so we had that hourly, we had that 15-minute, waited for this 5-minute gap right here, this bullish 5-minute to get inversed, entered off of that. Like I said, as you can see here, there's just really no real targets, so you kind of have to target a 1-to-1. So I had my stop above this high. Didn't really even have a break even on NQ. I was going to wait for ES because it was kind of leading to take this low, and then once it were to take this low, I was gonna go break even. But as you can see, I was in profit for roughly 5 seconds, and then got stopped out. It also didn't help that Trump decided to tweet out about stuff with Iran, so he's definitely helping me out today. Not really, but yeah, small loss. Definitely can take it, but it always sucks because it's all on me. It was so avoidable, but it is what it is. We move on. We've had a killer month so far, killer week. Got one more day tomorrow, so if I trade tomorrow, I will make a video. If not, I will catch y'all Monday. So until then, we'll see y'all in the next Trade Recap.